Hey, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something that no sharpener is excited to see. It's that screw. You see it? How I have to dig out all that paint and then try and unscrew it, and hopefully it doesn't cam out. So don't paint your screws! Today they're just going to get charged a little extra for my extra time and the extra parts I'm going to have to replace on these, because it's not just one, it's a whole few bags worth of them. So like one or two, I don't care. I just throw out the screws, replace new ones. But when it's all of this, the time adds up. So when you want to paint, just paint either down here or right on the front here. Don't paint the screws, don't paint the socket or spring. All those parts are replaceable. So you might not be able to tell what blade is yours. Just right on the front. All right, hope that helps some of you. And if you did paint the screws, take them out before you hand them to your sharpener, and it might go better for you. Bye.